Welcome back to the Playwright series. It's video 3, and in this video, basically in last video we have extract the name and price of a book. Now in this video we are trying to get the complete data. Means we go to the product, scrap that, our program goes and click next, and again doing same, click next, like that. It scraps all the products of our books. Basically, it's called a paging and navigation. What we are doing in this video. So yeah, let's do it. So for that, we create our main file and import that. So that is just we do in our first video to just open that. I'm doing a same. Here we can see our base code is that open a Chrome and get the data that we done our previous video. So just I do for header plus equals to false. Now I need to do that for co- pages. So let's I'll remove that all data to start freshly. Just go my scribe.py. Yeah, that's it. And go for main.py. And that's my code that just only open the browser and nothing else. And it scribe the titles and give me. So that is our code. So let's do continue next what we need to do. Now I need to go to next page. So I can do just a max underscore. I just add one parameter. I want maxly scrape my 3 pages only. Like this one time, then after click is second time, and after click that is third time is second time, and this third time. Like that I need to unscrap 3 pages. So yeah, that's it. No, it's a same that we need to do. We not don't need to change, and we also want to is this work here. Just I want to load all the selectors, and that just load all when I open the page. That all load and then go next. Now on above I give one data where I add all the datas of my. I create a list and one go in scene title, and I give a set because it's because of that I can't my program can't able to process a repeated task. So yeah, that's here things that we create a basic stuff. Now we create a main that is pagination loop. Yeah, let's make a one pagination loop. Let's go next. So just we make a one current underscore page, one variable that is one, and here I assign one while loop where current page is equals to max page. It's it helps to going until my 3 page limit is not over. Now just I write for me that print f f string current page is current page. Now now I doing same that I need a book is equals to page dot dot query dot select dot underscore all. At that time, I yet Wingling MS to previously. I need to this deselect my all the queries, and then we make our for loop for book in books, and we do book title is equals to, I just copy from previous, it's a same, that is same. I just copy that all the as before videos I told how we scrap that things, and I just copy that thing, and then just we add a one condition, if title not in scene title, then we just give, we send the data. I don't want my repeated data is come into my dictionary. That's why I added this condition. Data dot append, and I need to append as a dictionary. So I first my is title, and in title I add title, and same as price we add same as price, and after that scene underscore title dot add, we add the title, because here we add the titles if not seeing, so here come, and if not seeing, then directly append my data into my data list in the form of dictionary. Now our how we click our next page. So for that we need to find one next page image. So we need to go before for, yeah, now here. Let's go here, open inspect, and click next. Here what I can able to see. Here there is a one li, within li there is a, and within a there is one button, but href means, so I need to click that. So let's do it. For that just give next underscore button, and then is equals to page dot query select. I need to select only one. I need to select li dot, here it's my li dot next. I want to select this li dot next, and from that I have one a, this one, and then if my next button is there, then I need to go to that button. So do next dot button, I need to click, and after click I need to page dot wait, wait for load state, because there will be a network issue. So network ideal, ideally. and here I just do current page plus equals to 1. I go to next page. If I am in the next page, so my current page is 2. That's why I'm doing this part. And if button is not, so just I do else, and I do break. If I didn't find any button, so just I'm exit that loop, that function, and that's it. Just now we cross our browser, and we need to return our data after closing the browser. Now let's run this. Now in this function, we insert into result is equals to, we not need to add in additional parameter. I added a default, so just print that result. Just first return the length of how much book we extract, and then we extract the books. So books len are, actually we don't need this. We use fstring. We can directly add here len of result. SMS. Print. Let's first print that. Then we print next things. If we open that, scrap that, and there is something error come. No checkbox already button. Let's fix this. Next button dot we click. Actually, we do a little a silly mistake. I want to. I write check instead of click. Let's run again. Here we can see our browser go to the next, and it scraped 3 pages exactly. Here we can see our program extract 3 pages, and we have a total 60 books. Now let's print our 60 books. For that we need a one for loop. So for item in result, we print the item that consists of title, because it's with, so yeah, here we scrap all the books that are available at 3 pages, and we can increase as per needed. So yeah, that's for a video. Thanks for watching.